If this looks weird for a Whisky Riff setup, it is weird. I'm in Palermo, Italy. If you need to know more details about that, please go back and watch episode 1. I won't bore you with it again. This is not a Glencairn glass, but this is day 4 of a Flaviar advent calendar. I haven't looked at the front yet, so I don't know the country of origin. I'm trying to do these as blind tasting, so let's do this. Welcome to Whisky Riffs. If you're new here, I'm Kevin. I'm on day 4. So far, I kind of did well with the first couple days. I think I got one rye spot on. I think I called yesterday's blended Scotch malt. Not exactly Scotch. I thought it was from India, I think. But it still was a blended. So I'm going to take that as a win. And we'll see what day 4 is like. Okay, this one, right off the bat, I'm thinking a northern whiskey like Highland Park, or it could be an island whiskey. Definitely hits me as a Scotch right away. There's a little bit of sweetness in there, like apple and pear. But yeah, those tire notes, those always get me for certain distilleries. I think sometimes Bunnahabhain gives that to me too, but mostly the Highland Park type distilleries. And that was a vegetal note, spicier than I expected. Doesn't taste too hot though, but I am getting more grass notes, but I was getting the light fruits. I really think this is an island Scotch, though the color is fairly dark. It's not, I guess it's not that dark. It's a dark room. I don't have all the lights that I normally have in my big studio. Let's see what we got in the bottle. Oh, it's a product of India. Okay. This is kind of what I thought yesterday, because yesterday's tasted like a Scotch, but it tasted a little off. And maybe that's what I'm getting here too. Maybe this is the India version of Scotch that I'm just not used to drinking a lot of their blends or their single malts. They do have those there. Let me check out what the app says. Flaviar has an app to look up each day. So far I've looked up 3 days. This is day 4. Day 4, pop it open. Now it wants me to see what I like about it. It was okay. It wasn't one of my favorites. All right, let's reveal day 4. This is MkII. It's a single malt whiskey from India, 46% ABV, which makes sense. It wasn't that hot of a whiskey. They're saying fruit, oak, spicy, vanilla, caramel, raisin, nutty, dark chocolate. I was thinking more apple and pear on the nose, maybe a little bit of raisin there, but it's not as dark. I can get the vanilla now. Yeah, no, I do like it. Kind of wish it had a little more depth to it for me, but maybe I'm missing out on some things. It's saying that it's an American oak, ex-wine French oak, and ex-sherry Pedro Jimenez and Oloroso cask. So there's a lot of aging going on with this, different casks, different types. Local 6-row barley in India. That's always cool. Non-chill filtered and no added colors. That's really cool. Thank you for doing that. Let me know your thoughts about Indian whiskey. Have you ever had MkII? Most of the Indian whiskeys I've actually tried have been in these Flaviar tasting kits or other advent calendars. So my experience is limited. I think this is pretty good. I would probably say that out of the 4 days so far, this is my favorite. All right, we're 4 days down. 20 days left to go, and until tomorrow, take care of yourself. Take care of those people around you, and cheers.